FC गोवा सुपर कपान अटॅकिंग खेळ करतले आणि स्ट्रॅटेजीन काय बदल जावचो ना अशें कोच डेरिक परेरा म्हणटा। सर्जिओ लोबेरा पटर्निटी लिव्हर आशिल्ल्यान FC गोवान डेरिक परेराच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला तयारी केल्या। खेळगडे बरेपैकी मोटिवेटेड आसा अशें येडू बेडियान मंदार राव देसायान पत्रकार बसकेन उलोवन दाखयले। FC गोवाची मॅच 3 एप्रिलाक एटीके आड जातली।
We believe in team game, and it's just, I mean, of course, we are glad that we have players like Koro, Lanza, and Edu, Mandar, and others, Bruno. We have got a lot of players, and it's a team game, so we focus on teamwork, and I think we'll follow the same style and same formation like what we had started right from the beginning of the season. So our approach will be the same, and yes, we entertain the crowd here in India, and I'm sure the players will put in those efforts to do well in this cup. I think we are working on towards that. We are learning. Not that we are not capable of doing it, but I think it's a process where we are developing as a footballing nation, and this is part of it. And I think in due course, Indian coaches will take over.
Bueno, este año hay dos torneos, la ISL y la Superliga. No solo hay uno, tenemos contrato, tenemos que estar aquí y tenemos la misma ambición que tenemos para ganar la ISL, la tenemos ahora para ganar la Superliga. Nosotros somos futbolistas, somos profesionales y por encima de todo nos gusta mucho jugar al fútbol, así que nos encanta.
This year in India there's two competitions, the ISL and the Super Cup. With regards to how the team is approaching this, it's very simple. Both the two competitions, we are taking them equally seriously and we want to win both of them. We're professionals and we have a contract, and we have to do our job out there. So, we're focusing on just trying to win the tournament. As a football team and as players as well, we all like to play football and we enjoy playing football, so that's what we're going to try and do.
In the league games, I think so we have done really well. In the last 3 games, it was very important for us. We played very good. All the team was together, and so we won all 3 games and we went the semi-finals. The first semi-final was okay, but in the second semi-final, we never expected to lose that second game. Now it's done. Now we are just concentrated on the Super Cup.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।